Vicky here with you, and I wanted to do a small vlog just to give you an idea of what my kitchen is looking like. It's progressed quite a lot. There's still a lot to do. I will be showing you guys something, so I want to show you first what my space looks like, and hopefully you're gonna like it. It's a mess because, like I said, we're far from finished, but still, you know, we're getting somewhere. So let me turn you around and we will take it from there. So hopefully I'm not gonna get you guys to be too dizzy. So this is the space that I had already. Now I will be putting over here a microwave that's over the range, because this way I'm gonna get a lot more space in my pantry. And my husband has told me that we will be getting some appliances in stainless steel, so I'm very much looking forward to it, as well as a granite countertop. So here is my floor. It looks really good now. I'm really happy with it, and we've painted the walls in gray. We still have to do all that wall, and there's still, you can see underneath all the paint and stuff, there was this old wallpaper, and the contractor still has to do this finish. It hasn't been done yet, but it's getting there. So this wall is going to be my pantry, and there's going to be 2 sliding doors that are going to be in barnwood type of thing. And I did this piece of furniture a while back, so that's my inspiration for the rest of the kitchen. This piece here, the stained glass, was done with, I did it with my dad. So here we're going to have a kitchen island that's going to be attached to the wall. Right now this piece of furniture usually goes on my deck outside, but we don't have a deck, so I'm using it as an island right now, and it's perfect because it gives you an idea of what the space is going to look like. I also did the shelves here in barnwood, in semi barnwood type of look, and I've got all my Jamie Oliver cookbooks, all the collection. I love it. I use them all the time, and the ones I use less are over here. And then here is, I hope I didn't make you too dizzy. So here's my space. And of course, like I said, it's not finished. We're still doing around the windows, and I'm doing them with this pine that I've stained. So basically that's what I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Hopefully it's going to be something that's going to be interesting, totally different from my usual type of thing. I love this new fixture. It really turned out almost like a sculpture, so I really love it. And look how it's really a bright room here, so I love it. And then we kept the brick wall from the outside, and this way we can this can be a pass-through for the kitchen, so that's really it's really nice, and we use it already quite a lot. This is going to be my coffee station, so I took a piece of furniture that I had already, and that's what's going to be on here. I want to get another type of coffee machine, but I don't have it yet. This I found when I went to the States at Christmas tree shop, and I just loved it, and I thought this would be just perfect over here on the on my wall. And so here is where the deck is going to be eventually. But you can see my yard is still a total mess. There's still a ton of snow, so it's going to take a while before we can get to it. And eventually there's going to be a deck here too that's going to access the pool. So that's basically what my space looks like. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing this update, and if you did and want to see the finished look when we actually have it finished, well, let me know. Bye everyone!